Good morning, Dakana. This is RUBI THERESA. Listen here. Identities involving product of three binomials. What is meant by binomial? Yes, a mathematical expression consists of two terms connected by a plus sign or minus sign. Consist of two terms. An expression consists of two terms in short. என்ன சொல்லணும் binomialனா very good. An expression consisting of two terms. Either it is connected by a plus sign or minus sign. X plus A, it is a binomial. X plus B, it is a binomial. X plus C, it is a binomial. So, involving product of three binomial. So, you are taking X plus A into X plus B into X plus C, because product means into multiplication. You are multiplying these three binomial. Yes. Next. So first let me take X plus A into X plus B. First you are going to multiply these two. Then with X plus C. First எது ரெண்டே எடுக்கிறீங்க X plus A into X plus B. What you have to do is, listen, X plus A, taking a square, that is very easy for you to multiply. X plus A. Understand, this is plus A. This is X plus B. X plus A, X plus B. Either you can take X plus A here, X plus B there. எப்படி வேணாலும் மாத்தி எழுதிக்கலாம் நீங்க. X into X. X into X. This is in the form of what? A to the power of M into A to the power of N. Same base. It is in product. They are having same base. Then the power should be added. A to the power of M plus N. So here it is in multiplication, isn't it? So X into X. Same base you are getting. Base எப்படிராகனா இருக்கு? Same இருக்கு. Power என்ன? If there is no power means the power is 1. எந்த நம்பருமே இல்ல அப்படின்னா அதனுடைய பவர் என்ன 1 ன்னு அர்த்தம். If there is no number means the power is 1. So you have to add it. X to the power of 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is nothing but X square. X into X is X square. Those who know to write directly, you can write it. X into X, X square. Then X into A. How you have to write? AX. I told you many times. The variable you have to write it last. X ன்றது தான் இங்க variable. அதனால AX ன்னு எழுதணும். XA அப்படின்னு எழுதக்கூடாது. You should not write XA. Understand? Then B into X. What is it? BX. Since it is plus, just I am saying directly. Plus into plus, plus only. Understand? Next. A into B, AB. B into A, BA, AB. Both are same only. Understand? Commutative property. 2 into 3, 3 into 2. Both are same only. So A into B or B into A. Both are AB. Now, here you can write. What is it? X squared plus AX plus BX plus AB. Understand? This is. So you multiply these two. Next one is what? X plus C. Next, X squared AX plus BX. In these two terms, X is common. இந்த ரெண்டு டேர்ம் மட்டும் பாருங்க கண்ணு. என்ன பொதுவா இருக்கு? Very good. என்ன பொதுவா இருக்கு? X. So நம்ம என்ன எழுதிக்கலாம் இங்க? A plus B into X. This X either you can write it here or here. இங்க frontலயே எழுதலாம்டிக்கன்னு இங்க லாஸ்ட்லயே எழுதலாம். எங்க வேணாலும் எழுதலாம். X square plus A plus B into X. ஆனா நான் எப்பவுமே என்ன சொல்லியிருக்கேன்? வேரியபிள்னா லாஸ்ட்ல எழுதிக்கிறது தான் நமக்கு என்னது? கரெக்டான வே. அதனால லாஸ்ட்ல எழுதிக்கிறேன். புரியுதுங்களா? அடுத்தது plus AB into X plus C. Do you follow every one of you? ஏதாவது புரியலையா அடிக்கன்னு? Very good. Now, how many terms are here? 3 terms. X squared is one term. Next one is A plus B into X. This is one term. Understand? Then plus AB. So just you can draw like this here. What is it? X squared. Here what? A plus B into X plus AB. Here what? X C. That is plus C. X into X squared. What is it? Very good. X cube. The same way. X squared into X. Understand? The powers are added when the base is same. So 2 plus 1 is 3. X cube. C into X squared. Very good. Cx squared. What is it? Cx squared. Next. A plus B into X. X into X is X squared. Understand? This is X into X is X squared. A plus B into X squared. Understand? Next one is what? C into A plus B into X. A plus B into X into C. That means what? Very good. What is it? A plus B into Cx. Into Cx. Otherwise C into A plus B into X. Like that also you can write. Understand? இப்படி எழுதலாம் நீங்க. C into A plus B into X. இப்படியும் எழுதலாம் நீங்க. சரியா? Do you follow? Next one. X into AB. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணலாம்? AB X. C into AB. இது என்னன்னு வச்சுக்கலாம்? ABC. Do you follow or not? Just you write it here. What is it? X cube plus A plus B into X squared. Next one, what you can write? Cx squared. Because same term, like terms, both are like terms. It is better to take it in a diagonal way. X cube, then A plus B into X squared. Next one is what? Cx squared. Plus, next here, what is it? ABX plus A plus B into Cx plus AB. How you can write? Diagonally. Then you will get the like terms. Understand? Diagonally. Understand? Here also you see X squared first, then AX, BX, then AB. Understand? Here, next one. X cube plus, this is what? A into X squared is what? AX squared. Otherwise, here also X squared is common. Here also X squared is common. Either you can multiply, then you can take it as a common factor. Otherwise, directly also you can take it. Understand? Do you follow? This is C. Sorry. If you want to write like this, you write it. A into X squared, AX squared. Plus B into X squared, BX squared. Plus C into X squared, CX squared. Plus here, ABX. Plus, what is it? ACX. Otherwise, BCX. Understand? ACX plus BCX plus ABC. Here, next. X cube plus, what is common here? What is common? Yes. X squared, X squared, X squared. Understand? So, what you can write it here? A plus B plus C into X squared. A into X squared, AX squared. Plus B into X squared, BX squared. Plus C into X squared, CX squared. Understand? Next one is what? Yes. Plus, what is common? X is common. What is common? X is common. So, AB plus, எதை எடுத்துக்கலாம் first? Which one you can take it better? BC. AB plus BC plus AC or CA. எப்படி வேணாலும் சொல்லலாம். புரியுதுங்களா? Either you can say AC or CA. Into X. Into X. Next one is what? Plus ABC. Plus ABC. Understand? Here you see what it is actually. AB, AB into X, ABX. BC into X, BCX. AC into X, ACX. Understand? So, what is the answer you are getting here? Tell me identity. Yes. X plus A into X plus B into X plus C identically equal to X cube plus A plus B plus C into X squared plus AB plus BC plus CA into X plus ABC. Understand? புரியுது அடிக்கண்ணு. அதனால இத சொல்லும் போதே இப்படி கேப் கரெக்டா எங்க பாஸ் விடணும்னு பார்க்கணும். எக்ஸ் கியூப் பிளஸ் ஏ பிளஸ் பி பிளஸ் சி இன்டு எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர் பிளஸ் ஏபி பிளஸ் பிசி பிளஸ் சிஏ இன்டு எக்ஸ் பிளஸ் ஏபிசி. இது ஏபி பிசி சிஏன்றதா நமக்கு வந்து இட் இஸ் ஈஸி ஃபார் யூ டு ப்ரொனவுன்ஸ் த ஐடென்டிட்டி ஈஸி. அதனால நீங்க மாத்தி எழுதணும்னாலும் தப்பெல்லாம் கிடையாது. புரியுதுங்களா? இட் இஸ் நாட் ராங் இஃப் யூ ஆர் சேஞ்சிங் அண்ட் ரைட்டிங். Do you follow? Instead of by-hearting the identity, at least one time in lifetime you derive and see. Then you won't forget it. புரியுதா அடிக்கனே? மனப்பாடம் பண்ணுங்க, ஐடென்டிட்டி எல்லாம் மனப்பாடம் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்றாங்க. ஆனாலும் even though you are by-hearting, but at least one time in lifetime, வாழ்நாள்ல ஒரு தடவையாவது தொடக்கத்துல இந்த ஐடென்டிட்டியை படிக்கும் போது நீ இப்படி எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணி படிச்சீங்கன்னா உனக்கு ஈஸியா இருக்கும். சரியா? ஓகேவா? தேங்க்யூ.